Alright everyone. Alright everyone. Hi everyone. I received another package from JNT Express. You're gonna see there my address. This is from Shopee and I don't know what is this, so let me open and show it to you. Alright, so I have, what's this? Wipes. So I received wipes. Remove excess dirt. To remove excess dirt down. Okay. Okay, it's the lightning cable for iPhone 10. So this is open. But let me show first everything that I received. What's this one? Oh, I think this is for the camera. I don't know if you can see that. I'm using front camera, so I think hindi siya makita. Okay, ayan na natin. I have another one, cable. So let's open this one first. So, pakita ko sa inyo kung ano po yung na-receive ko ngayong araw na ito. So here it is. So it's the lightning cable. And okay. So you can sa iPhone X kasi there is only one port, and the charging and headset is in one port. So if you are using the phone if you are charging the phone, then you cannot use the headset because again it only has one port. So this one, ito po yung port, lightning port ng iPhone X, and this one is adapter. So sa adapter may dalawang, ba't ako nanginginig? There are two ports. So that one is for headset, normal headset, and the other one is for the charging lightning cable of iPhone. So we will try later if this is working. Another one that I received right now is another cable, but I think again lightning cable, but this time same headset siya at saka lightning cable for charging. Lightning port for charging. So however, this one, dalawa sila ay magkaparehong lightning cable port. So this is to be used sa headset talaga ng iPhone X, and this one is to be used sa headset na normal headset that we are using. So but both charging ports are lightning, of course, because we are using iPhone lightning cable. So gagamitin ko itong dalawang na to palagi. And the wipes are for this one. So this one is, I think this is iPhone X clear something that you can put on the camera, because I don't use anong tawag dito, I'm not using case. I'm not using a case sa iPhone. Nilonggo ako sa iPhone X. So I bought a clear protection for the camera, because the camera is bulky, and if nasa table, usually siya yung nagagasgas if you are moving the phone, if you are reckless and other people are accidentally push the phone, so it magagasgas talaga yung phone if you are putting it on the table or anywhere. So I bought a clear plastic protection for the camera at the back of the phone. So although the phone, sabi nila, yung iPhone X iPhone X is created na hindi talaga magagasgas yung mga crystal niya, yung um, the phone itself. Earlier nalaglag ko yung phone but hindi siya nasira. So I think the drop test earlier is successful, no? It means the phone is really equipped is really it comes from the advertised. Oh my gosh, so I don't know how to. Okay, it has okay. Please bend over the backboard, take off the glass. So I don't know how. Let me turn the. So this is the instruction. Please bend over the backboard, take off the glass. So I don't know what that means. So for you to have a clear look kanina sa mga nabili ko sa Shopee, so this is the ports, the adapters that I've received for all iPhone. I don't know, maybe it's iPhone 8 up. You're using one port only for headset and charging. Then you can buy this adapter so you can charge the phone while using the headset. So it's two because one is for normal, I think that's 1.5 mm headset, and the other one is the pin lightning cable headset that iPhone X are using. Okay. Alright, so here it is. It's working because my phone is charging, and this one has the other one, the lightning headset. Let me get the headset. So here it is. It's the headset. Alright, so I'm going to attach it now here. Attach first. Okay, attached. Alright, so I think let's try to test. Let's test this. So actually I'm using i12. Let me connect this one instead. Let me disconnect everything first. I'll try to connect this one together. Yep, it will connect. So it's not. It's not connecting. So if I'm going to play, let's see this one. In my messenger. Okay, so it's not attaching there. Maybe I need to forget this device first. Okay. So I can check. The charging is okay. The headset is not. The headset is not okay. Let me remove and put it back in. But this time I'm going to. Oops. I'm going to clip it. Okay. That's easy. But it's not reading it. I just don't know how to connect it. It's not working. Okay, let me try the other one. Still have on. So this is lightning cable to lightning cable. Let me try the other one first. Okay, here it is. First to the iPhone. Touch now. Let me try the driver first. As you can see, it's blinking, and there we go. It means it's charging. Okay. Let me find some headset here. So it's normal 1.5 mm. I'm connecting it now. It's hard, it's really hard. It's really hard. Let me put it. Okay, so it's connected. Connect the other one perfectly. Okay, that's connected, I think. They're all connected. Alright. So I think I'm not gonna play a Bluetooth anymore. I don't know how to connect it. So no need for Bluetooth, I think. Okay, let me try playing YouTube. Oh, so it's not sounding anymore. I think it's in the headset now. Let me try. I'm going to touch this one. Let me check if it will going to affect it here. No, it's not. It's not. Alright. But it's sounding. It's working here. It's working on this headset. So it means this one is really working. Alright. Let me try to put this back again. Alright, so I have the charger attached already. I'm gonna attach it to the phone here. It's very hard because I don't have holder for the phone, so just bear with me. Okay, so it vibrates. I think it is now charging. Okay. So here it's charging. Alright, so let me try my lightning cable headset via lightning cable. Let me try this for now. Alright, so I'm touching it here. Okay, so I think it's attached already. Let me play. Immediately to the messenger or to the Teams. Alright, so it's not working there. I think we need to turn on the Bluetooth again. So I think it's not working there. It's still loading here, so I don't know what is happening. But, well, that's it. I think this is really not working yet. If it will gonna work, I will post another video about this.
Thank you so much.
So I'm going to put this on my camera. I don't know if I can use my old phone. My old phone is iPhone 6, so I can cover and record a video on how to put this one. But I'm so excited to put this one. So maybe the picture, I'm going to show the picture na lang of this one na nakalagay na po sa likod ng camera or sa camera ng phone ng iPhone X. So that's it. Thank you so much.